This is Eric Muathe, COMMODITIES.com, as we continue with a new month here, the month of May 2020. Just be on the lookout for stocks that are breaking recent monthly closing lows. For example, take a look at UPS, which is moving below a recent monthly closing low, and that is at 90.49. So 90.49. This is the recent monthly closing low. If the stock stays below that price, be on the lookout for a major sell-off. And it also means more than likely we are going to take out these lows and potentially record deeper lows. So if a stock you own is breaking recent monthly closing lows, be on the lookout. And keep in mind, I'll have some links in the description of the video that explain this method. We can see here just about to move to fresh 3-year lows on the RSI, and we can see here as far as the MACDs are concerned, they are already trading at 3-year lows. So RSI at 3-year lows, MACDs at 3-year lows. That definitely meets the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe sell signal, which is the exact opposite method when looking for breakouts on the bullish side, which is what I call the ultimate Muathe breakout. Plus, watch what happens if the stock breaks the price lows and if it drops below RSI 38.2. I have lots of videos discussing this if you're interested in understanding the power of the RSI dropping below 38.2 for the first time in a while. You've been warned. This is Eric Muathe, COMMODITIES.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs.